All right, let's do some Shirley practice. We're going to classify this sentence together. So please participate just like you would in the classroom. The first sentence reads, Jack works in that tall building on the corner. Your turn. Read that sentence. Get ready. Good. Remember to read like we speak. Let's start to classify with a question and answer flow. Who works in that building on the corner? Jack. Subject, noun. What's being said about Jack? Jack works. Verb. In. Preposition. In what? Building. Object of the preposition. What kind of building? Tall. Adjective. Which building? That. Adjective. On. Preposition. On what? Corner. Object of the preposition. The. Article. Adjective. Subject, noun, verb. Pattern 1. Skill check. In that tall building, prepositional phrase. On the corner, prepositional phrase. Period statement, declarative sentence. Go back to the verb and divide the complete subject by the complete predicate. All right, let's repeat that one more time together. Jack works in that tall building on the corner. Who works in that tall building on the corner? Jack. Subject, noun. What's being said about Jack? Jack works. Verb. In. Preposition. In what? Object of the preposition. What kind of building? Tall. Adjective. Which building? That building. Adjective. On. Preposition. On what? Corner. Object of the preposition. The. Article. Adjective. Subject, noun, verb. Pattern 1. Skill check. In that tall building, prepositional phrase. On the corner, prepositional phrase. Period statement, declarative sentence. Go back to the verb, divide the complete subject from the complete predicate. Okay, let's do another sentence. Let's read it together. Get ready. 2 large bees flew slowly around the yellow roses. All right, let's classify. Get ready. Who flew slowly around the yellow roses? Bees. Subject, noun. What's being said about bees? Bees flew. Verb. Flew how? Slowly. Adverb. Around. Preposition. Around what? Roses. Object of the preposition. What kind of roses? Yellow. Adjective. The. Article. Adjective. Large. What kind of bees? Large. Adjective. How many bees? 2. Adjective. Subject, noun, verb. Pattern 1. Skill check. Around the yellow roses, prepositional phrase. Period statement, declarative sentence. Go back to the verb, divide the complete subject by the complete predicate. All right, let's review that one more time. 2 large bees flew slowly around the yellow roses. What flew slowly around the yellow roses? Bees. Subject, noun. What's being said about bees? Bees flew. Verb. Flew how? Slowly. Adverb. Around. Preposition. Around what? Object. Roses. Object of the preposition. What kind of roses? Yellow. Adjective. The. Article. Adjective. What kind of bees? Large. Adjective. How many bees? 2. Adjective. subject, noun, verb, pattern 1. Skill check. Around the yellow roses, prepositional phrase, period statement, declarative sentence. Go back to the verb, divide the complete predicate from the complete subject. All right, let's continue to this next exercise, and it's telling us to use the first sentence that we had classified to complete the chart below. So we need to list the nouns used. Okay, so let's go ahead and write Jack. We know he is a noun. What else is a noun? Building and corner. Okay, so what is the noun job for Jack? Get ready? Subject, noun. Is Jack singular or plural? Get ready. Yes, singular. Is Jack common or proper? Get ready. Proper. Good. Building. What's the noun job of building? Get ready. Object of the preposition. Is building singular or plural? Get ready. Singular. Is it common or proper? Common. Okay, for corner, noun job, get ready. Object of the preposition, singular or plural? Singular. Common or proper? Common. Remember, building is common because it is not a name of a building. If it had a name, then it would be proper. Jack is a person's name, so that is a proper noun. And all three of these things are singular nouns. They are one, singular. All right, let's go over this next part. It says, choose the part of speech for the underlined word. A tiny snail crawled very slowly. Tiny. Noun, verb, adjective, or adverb. Think about it. Get ready. Yes, adjective. Alrighty. And if you didn't know what it was, you can easily go through your question and answer flow to help you figure out what tiny is. You could have said, oh, I'm not sure. A tiny snail crawled very slowly. What crawled very slowly? Snail. Subject, noun. What's being said about snail? Crawled. Verb. Very slowly. How slowly? Adverb. How slowly? Adverb. Very. Okay, so we've kind of ticked the boxes on all the other ones. So we go back to snail and we say, what kind of snail? Tiny. It tells us that it's an adjective. All right, number 2, the young children giggled softly. What part of speech is the underlined word children? If you're not sure, we can do question and answer flow. Okay, the young children giggled softly. Who giggled softly? Children. Subject, noun. Okay, see how that helps you figure it out? All right, exercise 4. It says choose the topic for each group of words. Choose from these topics: fruits, numbers, or states. 9, 3, 8, and 20. Numbers. Florida, New York, California, and Texas are, get ready, states. And apples, oranges, bananas, and grapes would be fruits. All right, so this exercise tells us we need to read the paragraph below, write the topic for the paragraph, Choose from these topics. It's telling you which to choose from. 1, 2, 3. And you want to use the best topic for this paragraph, okay? Let's read it. I love shopping for school supplies with my mom. First, we check our supply list. Next, we walk up and down the aisles, putting paper, scissors, and crayons in our basket. Of course, extra items somehow end up at the checkout counter. Then Mom and I go eat at our favorite restaurant. Getting ready for school is fun. So now we just need to decide what is the best topic for that paragraph. Would it be the first day of school, school supplies, or a new restaurant? Get ready. Yes, school supplies. Good job.